Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matthew. In case you don't know who I am, I'm the leader and founder of Chartpools Trading. We are a group of day traders and investors who have come together in a free chat room, which is the first link in the description. I want to invite you to join to learn best practices and to make mad profit together. If that's something that interests you, again, join it. It's the first link in the description. So, you're here because you saw the thumbnail and you wanted the next recap of my July trading. Today was a big day. We hit $1,130 in profit. That is a huge day for me. I've never gotten into the 1,000 club, which I am now a member of, so super pumped about that. Glad it could happen in this challenge while I was recording every day. So that's kind of where we're at as far as the profit goes. So let's talk about the trade. So $1,130 in profit. It's like 0.13 Bitcoin gained. So I started the day off with a short position at 82.06. So I entered right here. I did this because I saw the bear flag forming. So the mast and the flag forming, which generally means another downtrend. So I shorted right here. It did hit my number a couple more times, and then we fell. I took profit at 80.85. My initial target was 80.51, but it never reached that, so I rose it up to 80.85 to get my position filled, which ended up being a good call because it did ride back up. That entire trade was hosted on a live stream on my channel, on my YouTube channel. So if you want to go see that trade, see how I made 150% profit in a couple hours, you can watch that entire live stream and see how it all played out. But yeah, that was a 150% gain trade, and a bunch of y'all got to see that, which was awesome. So next, we did go into a nice little run up here. I had drawn this line in my live stream of a potential break point that if we broke here, we were going to fall potentially to this next line, which we ended up breaking, and we almost fell to the next line. But anyways, I saw this as a point of resistance. It lined up with my volume as well. So I opened a short position at 61.69.5. And then I ended up taking profit at 81.06. I did have a profit at 80.95, which looks like it would have hit, but I just wanted to make sure I got out and locked in my profits before anything crazy happened, whether that be up or down. So I did short this entire little trip down, which did last a while, but that was about an 80% gain as well. So overall on the day, you'll see that we are up $1,130, and our account has grown by about 200%. Big gains today, so we were at 0.0672 to start the day, and then we ended the day at 0.2069. So super pumped about that. Great day of trading. Again, really enjoyed doing the live stream for those of you that got to tune in this morning and see that, like, how it happens in real life, as well as like getting to see me do some like actual more technical stuff with some breakdowns and stuff like that. I'll be doing another one of those tomorrow morning, so I do invite you to come and hang out with me there. But other than that, if you are interested in learning how to day trade and make these crazy gains and make $1,130 like I did today, I definitely invite you to join my course, which is the second link in the description. You can use code YouTube with an exclamation point for a discount, and I'll be putting that in the comments. But I would love to see you there. You'll get access to my indicators, you'll get access to a community, and a lot of videos that are beginner all the way through very high-level trading. And I'd love for you to be a part of that with me and a couple of the other guys in the Discord. So again, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of this journey. And like, subscribe, and leave me a comment below. Peace.